It's Wednesday morning. I'm getting ready to tidy up the shop. Thought I'd do a little quick one here and talk about the video I posted this morning on the shelves in my shed. So why don't we go out there before I continue? All right, you can see them right here behind me. That's what the video is about. The video was not about the music that I used in the video, and the video wasn't about my haircut. The video was about the shelves. I would really like to get comments on the shelves. Whether you think they're strong enough or not, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't need comments about the music that I chose to use in the video. If you're a regular viewer of mine, you'll know that I generally don't use music in videos. I very, very rarely put it over an action sequence. I just chose to do it yesterday because I felt like doing it. Occasionally I feel like doing things and I just do them. And another thing about your regular viewers, you will know that I don't like getting criticized about things like that. So I would ask any of you that are not a regular viewer who happen to be watching this video or watching any other video by any other person that makes videos for free, like you're not paying for them, stop being so goddamn critical. Find something constructive to say about the video, negative or positive, instead of being critical of the things that are a choice made by the person making the video. What these criticisms of my using that music are going to do is I'm going to be putting more of that music in future videos. And for those of you that say that if you do that, well, I'm just going to unsubscribe, well, go ahead. That's your choice. If you feel that what I'm doing doesn't have any value other than your like or dislike of the music that I chose to put in one video, then by all means, leave and find someone else to watch. You know what? I'm human. And like every other human on the planet, there are days when my tolerance for nonsense is lower than other days. And today just happens to be one of these days. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the shelves here a little bit. There are going to be some people who have absolutely no experience building anything or have built things in the past but probably overbuilt them, will think that this shelf, as it is built here, will not hold up any weight. It is built in exactly the same way as my lumber rack down here. You can see how much weight is on there. That's basically all hardwood and different things here. There's absolutely no sag, or there hasn't been a failure. All of that wood has been sitting on there for the past year. I made all this last year, so it's a good system. Of course, you cannot put gold bars up on this shelf. It will not support thousands of pounds, but I'm willing to bet that I can put at least 150 pounds on this shelf, each one of them, so for a total of 450 pounds without even coming close to reaching the failure point. The big thing about these kinds of things here, or any kind of construction at all, is the risk of some type of impact happening. Impact is what breaks things, okay? You can't take, the engine block of a 350 Chevy and put it up on this shelf and drop it on the shelf. That would be impact, okay? You can't do that. All you can do is place things up there, and you're not creating any impact stress on the thing. Different thing, of course, for a drawer. You can drop things into the bottom of the drawer, and I'm sure some people have seen this already. When you drop things into a drawer, say not intentionally, you just, accidentally let go of it, it can knock the bottom out of the drawer, it can loosen it up or break it a little bit. But situations like this here, where you're just stacking stuff up on the shelf, it can hold a lot of weight without failing. Now, I'm not trying to push the limits of what's possible here. I'm just trying to show what's practical and reasonable way to do things.
What do you think? It's pretty cool, I guess.
Oh, man, I wish I could go back in time. I'd take state.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
You know what, Napoleon? You can leave.
You guys are retarded.